Have you ever felt so broken, so shattered, that you didn't know how to put the pieces back together? We all make mistakes, we all fall short. Sometimes, these mistakes weigh on us so heavily that it feels like we're carrying the world on our shoulders. This feeling, this deep, gut-wrenching sorrow for our actions, is the very beginning of something powerful, true repentance. Repentance isn't just saying I'm sorry. It's not a magic word that fixes everything. It's a profound, transformative journey that starts deep within our hearts. Think of King David in the Bible. After a huge moral failure, he didn't just offer a quick apology. He was utterly shattered. In Psalm 51, he cries out to God, "The sacrifices of God are a broken spirit, a broken and contrite heart, O God, you will not despise." This is the essence of it, being so completely broken over our wrongdoing that we have nothing left to offer but the shattered pieces of our heart. It's in this place of total brokenness that something incredible happens. When we come before God with no excuses, no justifications, just our authentic, broken selves, we create space for His grace to rush in. It's like a dry, cracked desert finally receiving rain. Our pride dissolves, and our hearts soften. This isn't about wallowing in guilt or shame. Guilt keeps us stuck in the past, replaying our failures. Godly sorrow, on the other hand, propels us forward, toward healing and change. Imagine holding a shattered vase. You can try to glue it back together yourself, but the cracks will always show. It will never be as strong as it once was. But when we hand those shattered pieces over to God, He doesn't just glue them back together. He's the master artist, the kintsugi craftsman, who takes our brokenness and remakes us into something even more beautiful and resilient than before. He fills the cracks with His golden grace, making our past weaknesses a testament to His redemptive power. So, what does this look like in our daily lives? It starts with honest self-reflection. It means taking a fearless look at our actions, our motives, and our hearts. It's about kneeling, literally or figuratively, and confessing our specific failures to God, holding nothing back. It's that raw, honest conversation where you finally say, "God, I messed up. I can't fix this on my own. I need you." This process is humbling, for sure. It's uncomfortable, but the freedom on the other side is immeasurable. When we allow ourselves to be truly shattered before God, we're not being destroyed. We are being prepared for a beautiful reconstruction. We're letting go of the heavy burden of our sin and stepping into the lightness of forgiveness and a fresh start. It's an invitation to experience the deepest kind of love and restoration, one that can only be found when we are willing to fall apart in the hands of the one who knows how to put us back together, stronger and more beautiful than ever. If you're feeling broken today, know that you are in the perfect position for a miracle. Don't run from that feeling. Lean into it. Offer your shattered pieces to God and watch what He does. It's the most profound exchange you will ever make, your brokenness for His wholeness. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more content that explores faith in a real and honest way. See you next time.